Hello and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. Today we're going to be making some tinsel for my Christmas tree. To begin, I've cut 2 pieces of black wire and I will be using this gold ribbon. For each piece of black wire you want 2 pieces of gold ribbon cut to the same length. Using glue, stick 1 piece of ribbon to each side of the wire, like I will show you now. Try to keep the wire as central as possible. Okay, so now these are fully dry, we can move on to the next part. Using some scissors, I am cutting the ribbon into sections, as you can see, and I'm going to do this all the way along on both sides. Now I've cut both pieces, I'm going to twist them together and create the tinsel. Let's add it to my tree. Thank you for watching day 6 of Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Bye!